Welcome back, fellow entrepreneurs and aspiring wealth builders. In today's video, we'll dive deep into a topic that can transform your financial life, building your wealth empire while diversifying with multiple income streams. Whether you're looking to boost your savings, pay off debts, or achieve financial freedom, diversifying your income sources is a powerful strategy. So, grab a pen and paper because we're about to explore the key steps to help you get started. Number 1. Identify your passion and skills. Creating multiple streams of income begins with introspection. Identifying your passion and skills is the crucial first step in creating multiple streams of income. It allows you to leverage your natural abilities and interests, turning them into profitable ventures. Take some time for self-reflection and ask yourself what activities truly ignite your enthusiasm. Consider the skills you possess or those you're willing to develop further. Remember, when you're passionate about your work, it doesn't feel like work at all. Aligning your income streams with your passions and skills not only brings you fulfillment but also increases your motivation and determination to succeed. So, dive deep into your inner self, explore your true passions, and let them guide you towards a diverse and rewarding financial future. Number 2. Explore various income models. Now that you've identified your passions and skills, it's time to explore various income models. The world is full of opportunities, and there are countless ways to generate income. Take the time to research and understand different models like freelancing, starting an online business, investing, or creating digital products. Each income model has its own advantages and considerations, so it's crucial to explore them with an open mind. Consider how your unique strengths and skills can be leveraged in each model. By doing so, you can find the income streams that align best with your interests and abilities, increasing your chances of success and fulfillment in your multiple streams of income journey. Number 3. Start with one stream at a time. Building multiple streams of income is a journey that requires patience and strategic planning. It's essential to start with one income stream at a time to ensure your focus and dedication are not diluted. Choose an income stream that aligns closely with your passions and skills, as this will increase your motivation and enjoyment in the process. Set specific and measurable goals for your chosen stream and create a well-defined action plan. Break down the tasks into manageable steps and assign a realistic timeline to track your progress. By mastering one income stream before moving on to the next, you give yourself the opportunity to gain expertise, refine your strategies, and build a solid foundation for future success in creating multiple streams of income. Number 4. Expand and diversify. Once you have successfully established your first income stream, it's important to continue growing and diversifying your sources of revenue. This not only increases your earning potential but also mitigates the risks associated with relying heavily on a single income source. Take the time to evaluate your existing stream and look for opportunities to scale it further. Are there additional products or services you can offer? Can you reach a broader audience or explore new markets? Additionally, consider exploring new income streams that complement your existing one. For instance, if you have a successful online business, you could venture into affiliate marketing or launch a digital course to expand your revenue streams. By expanding and diversifying, you create a more resilient and sustainable income portfolio. Number 5. Prioritize passive income. One of the ultimate goals of creating multiple streams of income is to generate passive income. In the pursuit of financial independence and creating multiple streams of income, it's crucial to prioritize passive income. Passive income refers to earnings that continue to flow in with minimal effort on your part, allowing you to enjoy more freedom and flexibility in your life. Consider exploring avenues such as rental properties, where you can earn regular income from tenants. Dividend-paying investments, such as stocks or mutual funds, can also provide a steady stream of passive income. Additionally, creating digital assets like ebooks, online courses, or software can generate income on autopilot, even while you're enjoying leisure time or focusing on other projects. Prioritizing passive income helps you build long-term wealth and achieve a more sustainable and balanced financial future. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating multiple streams of income, increasing your financial stability, and enjoying the freedom that comes with it. Remember, building wealth takes time and effort, but the rewards are truly life-changing. Thank you all for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep creating those multiple streams of income. Bye for now.